Hey friends, welcome to another video. We're saying goodbye to 2021 and moving on into 2022, but I wanted to quickly recap some of my favorite moments this year. Starting off with something that we released in January, the Simon Hurley Create Stamping Foam. I really want to start off by saying thank you all so much for your support on this product. It really meant the world to me. I was so incredibly excited to release it, a little bit nervous at how you guys would all react to it, but the reaction was absolutely amazing, and you guys loved just how versatile it was. The fact that you can use it with stamps, stencils, dies, embossing folders, and really any texture around your house. It was so much fun to create with and get more use out of your regular products with it. If you guys don't know a lot about stamping foam, I'll play a clip here from one of my videos. Alright, now to go along with the stamping foam, one of my favorite things that I've designed this year was these two stamp sets. These are my silhouette stamp sets. One is the nature silhouettes and one is Christmas silhouettes, and they fit perfectly along on top of the stamping foam, which was really awesome. I wanted to create lots of coordinating products this year so that you could make a card really quickly, use your stamping foam, use one of the silhouette images, and go out of the house with a beautiful and really intricate card. So these were some of my favorite sets to make really quick and easy cards. We had a couple new colors of inks this year, one of them being Sidewalk Chalk, which is this beautiful light purple color. We also had Breakup Blue, which is this beautiful kind of more muted toned down blue color. Alright, and at the end of the year we released 5 new ink colors. I love these colors. We have lots of different, a rainbow assortment of colors that really filled in the line with bright and bold colors and really things that filled in the gaps and made the line a lot more complete. So these 5 colors are some of my new favorites. I also wanted to talk about Lunar Paste, which released this year as well. It sold out very fast and we were able to finally restock it. So if you want it now, it's available and I'll link it down below. It is such an awesome, creamy, smooth paste, but it's got this beautiful metallic shine and luster to it. I just absolutely fell in love with the paste, the different things you're able to do with it, whether you stencil it thin and really let it dry, or stencil it thicker and just get that beautiful shine in your project. And I also use it to kind of touch up little areas to add just a little bit of shine here and there on my project. It really is such an amazing medium and such a great addition to my line to add a little bit of sparkle and dimension to your projects. Lots of you guys have been asking new colors for the Lunar Paste, and I did post a sneak peek into 2022 on my Instagram, and if you guys can see it here, you'll definitely know that some new Lunar Paste colors are coming next year, which I am so incredibly excited about. Now let's talk about some of my favorite videos this year. I also created a video where I went around my house and I looked at different items to find textures with my stamping foam. It was a ton of fun, and you guys definitely need to check out that video too. I did it on pillows, different textures around my house, plates, mats, wall art. I also did a Christmas edition too, where I did it with some of my Christmas decorating items too. So if you do have the stamping foam, be sure to check around your house or out in nature. There are so many different textures that you can get that are just amazing to stamp with. Hot foiling was a huge trend this year, and I loved the video that I created kind of diving into the hot foiling and doing a couple different techniques with it. It was a lot of fun to test out, and I think hot foiling is one of my new favorite things that I discovered in 2021. It's just such an awesome technique to get a beautiful letterpress foil that is sturdy and gives a stunning shine on your card making projects. It was a ton of fun. I also went live with Gina K this year on her channel. Be sure to check that out. I'll show you guys a little clip right here.
Yes, those pressure tools are awesome.
Look at that. Can you see that?
Oh, that's amazing.
There's a lot of detail in that.
I
That's
love
really
that
cool.
so much.
Oh, I can't wait to try this. Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
So how do you know when the foam is worn out? Deborah wants to know.
So you can kind of tell when the foam is worn out, mainly just by the looks of it. If you want to get a new piece out, you can. Sometimes though, the foam does shrink too as you heat it. So like once it gets a little bit smaller, you might want to just kind of replace it. But there's not any telltale sign really.
You know what I absolutely love about this look? Isn't this beautiful? Do you guys
I
see how
love
pretty
it.
these are? they change. They don't look like a background stamp. They don't look like a stencil or a die plate. They look like batik fabric. It's just a totally different look than it's just a whole other fun way to create.
But that was just one of my favorite videos. I loved crafting along with Gina K, doing it live for all of you guys, and I hope to do it again with her as it was tons of fun. Before we end this video and wrap it all up, I wanted to give a quick thank you to all of you guys. It really means the world to me that you all interact with me and hang out with me. Every day when I post or on Instagram or things like that, it means so much to me. I once was a 12-year-old kid making videos who used this as his outlet and friends to kind of share with all of you guys. It was so much fun, and I really appreciate the support that you guys give to this day with this amazing community that we've built here on YouTube. I cannot wait to create more products for you guys as well. We're going into the 4th year of Simon Hurley Create, and I just need to say thank you for supporting my product line too. It means the world to me that you guys love my products and designs, and seeing them in your card making projects is just mind-blowing. I never thought that that would happen in my wildest dreams. So going into this 4th year, we're gonna have a lot of exciting stuff coming out. I cannot wait to share what we already have planned with you guys, things with stamping foam, Lunar Paste, and other new things that are coming soon. I'm very excited. Alright guys, I'll see you in 2022 with lots more videos and reels and interacting with all of you guys. I hope you have a wonderful new year and see you soon. Bye!